Occidental Mindoro Governor Eduardo Gadiano has recovered from COVID-19. The Provincial Health Office issued this certification declaring Gadiano recovered from the virus on June 16, 2021. The governor disclosed the result of his swab test when he tested positive for the virus on June 7 after manifesting symptoms on June 5. Gadiano underwent quarantine from June 5 to 15. While on quarantine, his office at the provincial capital was disinfected. As Gadiano returns to the provincial capital, he thanked those who sent him messages and prayed for his recovery.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.